Hello, my name is Ilda and I'm Master Stylist here at Salon Ziba, and I would like to talk about one of my favorite products this season that I've been using myself and I love it, is our nutritive 8-hour Magic Night Serum. So what I like about the night serum, it's super light and it doesn't make the hair greasy at all, and it doesn't get transferred to your pillow. The night serum contains iris root extract and a combination of 5 vitamins, including vitamin E, which one nourishes and repairs the hair while you sleep. For my hair, I have texture length. I like to use 2 to 3 pumps. Concentrate mostly on the mid shaft and the ends, because that's where the dry areas are. Another pump for the back of my hair. The good thing about it is, like, when you wake up in the morning, the hair feels so soft and so shiny. And here you have it, ready to go to bed.